Now, there's no direct way of flipping text in Canva. However, I'm going to show you the runaround, and it's very, very simple. So follow me. So as you can see, if I select this text, there is no option up here to flip at all. Now what we're going to do is, whatever size your text is, you're going to just make sure that your design is the same size. And over on the top right hand side, we're going to click on share, and here we're going to click on download, and from here we can actually download this. Now we want to make sure that the quality is as good as it can be, so you can change this from PNG to JPEG, and you can just increase the quality right over here to 100% and click on download. This is now being downloaded, and it is a JPEG, which we can now go ahead and click on uploads on the left hand side over here, and we can actually upload that image. You'll see that it is now uploading right over here. Now, you got to make sure that your text is in the style that you want it to be before you actually do this step. So now we're going to remove this text. We can click on the trash can, or we can tap on delete on our keyboard, and this over here we can now click down and drag it to our canvas. We've got it here on our canvas, making sure that it is selected. You're going to go up, and it is now an image and it is not text. You can also resize it just by dragging these lines or these markers down, and you can click on flip, and we can go ahead and flip it horizontally, or we can flip it vertically, and that's what it's going to look like. If this was helpful, you can go ahead, drop us a like, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.